My name is Caitlin Downs. I am a wellness coordinator, certified personal trainer, and group fitness instructor. I graduated from the University of Georgia with a degree in nutrition and dietetics many years ago, and have been in the health and fitness industry for over 10 years. I got my first job at GSW at the age of 18 as a group fitness instructor. I was a Zumba instructor. And little did I know that that was going to be the springboard for the career that I have today. They trusted me as an 18-year-old student to come in and lead a group fitness class. And so when I graduated and moved back to Americus, it was kind of home. I slipped right back in and started my career right here. I've seen many students come in here in the exercise science program and even the education program pick up a job here at the fitness center, and they step into their career, whether it's in graduate school of exercise science or sports medicine, or they step into a career right out of college in health and fitness. They were prepared for their job because of the resources here at GSW, because of the faculty and staff that led them to the career that they have. The importance of renovating a building like Florrie Chappell would be not only incredibly beneficial for the students and the faculty, but it's going to be beneficial for our community. The one thing that I tell clients all the time is the thing that we all share as a community is our health. And so to have a building like Florrie Chappell, to have a renovation like that, will not just be, 4 walls, a roof, and a few treadmills. It's going to be a place where, one, the community can combine as one with the student body and the faculty. The students are going to be able to reach out into the community, maybe find jobs, being able to network like that. But it's also going to be a place where these students can come and they can convene with each other. It'll be kind of like a hub for the entire campus where students, faculty, staff, and the community can come together as one. And they can share that one unanimous thing that they have in common, being their health, mentally and physically. A building like that, me as a personal trainer, I cannot wait to get my hands on that. Being able to move with the times in the fitness industry, that's going to be immense for us. We're going to be able to, work with clients on all different fitness levels and be able to get, positive results out of it. Investing in the renovation of Florrie Chappell would not only be an investment in the facility itself, but it's going to be an investment in the economy of our community. But it's also going to be an investment in the students that will be coming to GSW. A place like this, a student activity center, a hub of just a place that they can come to, is going to be beneficial. That's what the investment is. And to me, it's a no-brainer that this would be not only incredible for the university itself, but incredible for the community.